Good afternoon, students. This is Alok Gupta, your mathematics mentor and coach at Khyati's EdTech. So now we are going to learn about concept 4, which is based upon ages, ratio and proportion. We will try to solve the sums on ratio and proportion of ages based on the concepts of ratio and proportion. So let us begin. Amit is as much younger to Barkha as he is older to Chaman. If the sum of the ages of Chaman and Barkha is 48, what is the present age of Amit? Amit, Barkha, Chaman. ठीक है. Amit is as much younger to Barkha as he is older to Chaman. So if I take Chaman as 1 and Amit as 2, then Barkha has to be 3 because he is 1 year older to Chaman and he is 1 year younger to Barkha. That's what has been given to us. The sum of ages of Chaman and Barkha. तो Chaman and Barkha का जो एज है वो रेशियो में 4 है, क्वांटिटी में 48 दे रखा है, तो एक की वैल्यू 12 होगी, तो अमित की एज 24 इयर्स हुई ना, 2 की वैल्यू 24 years is the answer. The sum of ages of Aryabhatta and Sridhar is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 4 times the Aryabhatta's age at that time. The present ages of Aryabhatta and Sridhar are. So Aryabhatta, Sridhar. Let his age be X, let his age be Y. So 5 years पहले his age would be X minus 5, his age would be Y minus 5. Now they are saying X plus Y is 45. And 5 years ago, the products of their ages was X minus 5 into Y minus 5, which is equals to 4 times Arya's, that is X minus 5. This is cancelled. Y minus 5 is 4, so Y की value becomes 9, so X will become 36. So their ages are 36 and 9 respectively. The sum of ages of 4 members of Sinha's family is 140 years. 5 years ago, the ages of 4 members were in the ratio 2:3:7:8. So 5 years ago, that ratio was 2:7:3:8. This is present. Present, that sum of their ages is 140 years. After how many years would Rishu be as old as present age of his mother? So I'm assuming when they're talking about Rishu, they're talking about the youngest one, that is 2. We'll assume that here because it is not really mentioned. So 2:3:7:8 was the age 5 years ago. That was the ratio. So 5 years ago, each of them would have been 5 years younger, which means the total of this should be 120 years 5 years ago, because सबका 5 कम कर देंगे तो 20 कम हो गया, तो 2 + 3 is 5, 15. So 20 की वैल्यू 120 थी, तो 1 की वैल्यू 6 होगी. तो 5 years ago इसकी जो वैल्यू थी वो 12 years थी, इसकी 18 थी, इसकी 42 थी, इसकी 48 थी. करेक्ट. Now the present ages would be, I will just add 5, तो 17, 23, 47, 53. Now the mother's age is 47. इसकी after how many years he will become same as 47? After 30 years. So after 30 years, this Rishu, who is the youngest one, will become equal to the age of his present age of his mother. Very clear? Let's go ahead. 10 years ago, the age of Karishma was 1/3 of age of Babita. 14 years hence, the ratio of ages of Karishma and Babita will be 5:9. Find the ratio of their present ages. So Karishma, Babita. 10 years ago, which means before 10 years, Karishma was 1/3 of age of Babita. So if Karishma age was 1, Babita was 3. 14 years hence, मतलब 14 साल, this is present. After 14 years, ratio of ages of Karishma and Babita will be 5:9. अच्छा, करिश्मा और बबीता का जो एज डिफरेंस है वो तो हमेशा सेम ही रहने वाला है ना? तो यहाँ पर एज डिफरेंस कितना है? 4 है. यहाँ पर एज डिफरेंस कितना है? 2 है. तो डिस्क्रिपेंसी है, तो दोनों रेशियो को सेम कर देते हैं. आई विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 2. सो दिस विल बिकम 2 एंड दिस विल बिकम 6. सो नाउ दिस बिकेम द न्यू रेशियो. इनका डिफरेंस 4 कर दिया मैंने. बराबर है. अब देखो 2 का कितना हो गया? 5. रेशियो में कितना डिफरेंस है? 3 का. बट एज में कितना डिफरेंस है? 14 plus 10, 24. So 3 ratio is corresponding to 24. 1 ratio will be corresponding to 8. So if 1 ratio is corresponding to 8, 10 years ago she was 16 and this is 6, so 48. Now their age would be after 16 में 10 ऐड कर देते 58. So ratio would be 26:58. 13 is to 29 is the answer. Clear? हाँ? 10 साल पहले 1:3 का रेशियो था. 14 साल बाद 5:9 का रेशियो होगा. ये प्रेजेंट एजेस का मैंने रेफरेंस लिया है. उनका एज का डिफरेंस हमेशा कभी भी हो सेम ही होने वाला है, अंतर एज का. तो यहाँ पर 2 का अंतर था, यहाँ 4 का था, तो मैंने इसको भी 4 कर दिया, 2:6 कर दिया. नाउ 2 का 5 हो गया कितने सालों में? 24 सालों में. तो 2 का 5, रेशियो में 3 का अंतर, एज में 24 का अंतर. 1 की वैल्यू 8. अगर 1 की वैल्यू 8 तो 2 की वैल्यू 16, 6 की वैल्यू 48. नहीं तो दिस विल बी 64, नहीं 48. बराबर. So for present ages is 16 plus 10 because these are the ages 10 years ago. Present age will be 26 and 58. इन दोनों का रेशियो पूछा है 13:29. Okay. Hello students, this is Alok Gupta, your mathematics mentor and coach at Khyati's EdTech. So I have brought a lot of problems around 120, 130 on ratio and proportion. Please go through it, and if you have any queries, please get in touch with me on WhatsApp or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be getting motivated and I will come with more and more such concepts in near future. Thank you so much.